If you have particularly rocky soil or a turtle that's been used for several seasons, it might be time to change out the whacker hub. You'll need a slim screwdriver and a new hub, which comes in the whacker string replacement kit that's available on our website, tertill.com or Amazon. First, turn off the robot by pressing down on the button for about 10 seconds. Then turn the robot over and place it on a surface that won't scratch the solar panel. I'm using a towel. Before removing the hub, take a few business cards or sheets of paper and stack them up so that they just fit under the hub. This will be your height guide when replacing the hub. Next, using the screwdriver as a lever, gently pry off the existing hub, being careful, very careful, not to bend the shaft. Take the new hub and press it onto the shaft until it reaches the stack of cards you've made earlier. Put in a new whacker string, and Tertill is ready to go.